Dem say Igbo dey do juju oh. My brother we no dey do juju. Na common sense we dey take make money oh. Make I give you now example. Yoruba man dey sell Samsung. Igbo man Samsung. You carry 100 million. You enter Yoruba man shop. You tell am say you wan buy LG. Yoruba man go say make you buy Samsung. You tell am say no, you want LG. Yoruba man go brainwash you to buy Samsung. You tell am say no, you want LG. Yoruba man go pursue you come up for shop. Oloshi olori buruku ọmọ àlè o, no come my shop again. Igbo no dey do like that o. As far as you carry 100 million, enter Igbo man shop, 1,000 no go follow you comot. Igbo man go say, my brother make you buy Samsung. You tell am say no, you want LG. Igbo man go say make you buy Samsung. You tell am say no, you want LG. Igbo man go brainwash you to buy Samsung. You tell am say no, you want LG. Igbo man go say, oh yeah, no worry oh. Come, make we go second shop oh. Second shop in no get oh. He go come hold you. Una two go dey waka the full market. They take in eye, they find LG. Igbo man go dey find the LG. Immediately he see LG. The owner of the shop dey inside the shop. Igbo man no know the man before. He go stand face the shop, look direct inside the shop. The owner of the shop go look am back. Igbo people get one gift oh. If they look themselves together, spiritually they just will connect you. You go come go the shop. You go come knock him leg for the shop. Like say na him get to the shop. Pam 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 pam. Everybody go say oga welcome oh. Dance away. As soon as enter the shop oh, you go dey dash them name one. The owner of the shop, you go call am Emeka. Idiot to go and buy malt for customer. That one go come out. He go look the sales girl, call her Mamaka. Where the invoice of yesterday. He go say, Ogashe, you won't see am. He go say, oh yeah, keep am, no worry. Now, bring down all the goose. You wey be mumu go dey they drink malt. When they don't bring am down, Igbo man go find motor. He go load am for you. Make sure you come out. Later, he go come the shop. He go come give them announcement. Because no, and who get this shop oh? Bring your book oh. Come out to your money where you want. The remaining one, na my own. Make I ask you, shey na juju oh? No be juju.